Standard 6, Chapter 8, HCF LCM, Practice Set 24. So, first question, find the HCF of the following numbers. So, what is the first question? 45 and 30. So, here we have to find out highest common factor, HCF. So, let's see how to find out. See, factors of 45. Here what we have to see, in which table, by which table 45 can be divided. यहाँ हमको ये देखना है 45 कौन से टेबल से डिवाइड हो सकता है. So it will be divided by 1, 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Then 5, 5 9s are, 9 5s are. Then 3 15s are and 1 45s are. Okay. So factors of 1. So it is divided by 1. Then 2 15s are. 3 10s are. Then 5 6 are. 6 5s are. 3 10s are. 2 15s are. And 1 30s are. Now common factors. So common factors, which are the common factors? 1, 3, 5 and 15. So common factor are 1, 3, 5, 15. The highest common factor of 45 and 30 is, इन सभी चारों में से out of these 4 factors the highest biggest one is 15. Highest one is 15. सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर कौन सा है? 15. So that is our answer. ये 15 हमारा आंसर हुआ. Let's see next sums. 16 and 48. So first you have to write factors of 16, factors of 48. So factor of 16, 1, 2 8s are, 4 4s are, then 2 8s are 16 and 1 16s are 16. Then 48, 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 6s are 18. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then 5, no, 6 8s are 48. Then 7, no, 8. Now see, 12s are, 16s are, 24s are and 48s are. So common factors are 1 1, 2 2, 4 4, 8 8, 16 16. So common factors are 1 2, 4, 8 and 16. So the HCF of 16 and 48 is 16 is the highest, so 16. यहाँ पे सभी नंबर्स में 16 हाईएस्ट है, तो 16 is the HCF of 16 and 48. Now let's see third sums. Factors of 39 and factors of 25. So 1, 39 1s are 39 and then 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 3 into 13. Since it is an odd number, so 39 1s are 39. Now 25, 1, then 5 5s are 25 and 25. Common factor. Here common factor is only 1. So the HCF of 39 and 25 is 1. Factors of 49 and 56. Sums number 4. So factors of 49, 1, 7, 7 sevens are 49 and 49. Now 56, 1, 2, see 2 twos are 4, 1 carry, 2 eights are 16. Then 4, then 7, 8, 7 eights are 56, so 7 and 8 both the tables. Then 14, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 14, and then 28, then 56. So common factor 1, 1, 7, 7. So the HCF of 49 and 56, इसमें से highest 7 है, so 7 is the HCF. Let's see fifth sums. 120, 144. See, 1 will be divisible for all the numbers. Now next 2, last number is 0. So जब भी last number 0 है, so वो 2 से divide होगा. Now 3 के लिए 3 fours are 12 and 3 zeros are 0. 4 threes are 12. Then 5, last digit 0, so it is divisible by 5 also. And then 6 twos are 12, so 7, no, 8, for 8 we have to see last 2 digit is divisible for 8, no, so 8 ones are 8, 4 carry, 8 fives are 40, so 8 as well. Then 9, 10, 12, then 15, then 20, 24, 30, table of 40, 60 and 120. Now 144. So 1, last digit is 2. So 2, 3. 3 fours are 12, 2 carry, 3 eights are 3 six are 24. So 3, 4, 5, no, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72 and 144. So common factors 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 12, 12, then 24, 24. No more further common factors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So out of all this common factor, 24 is the highest. So HCF of 120 and 144 is 24. Sixth sums 81 and 99. So factors of 81. So factor of 81 is 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Factors of 99. 1, 3, 9, 11, 33 and 99. common factor. Common factor is 1, 3, 9. So common factors are 1, 3, 9. So the HCF of 81 and 99 is 9. 9 is the highest. So 9 is the HCF. 24 and 36, factors of 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, see, 2, 18s are, 3, 12s are, 4, 9s are, 6, 6 are, then 9, see 6, 6 is na, so 4 9s are, 3 12s are, 2 18s are, and 1 36 are. Common factor 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 6 6, 12 12. So common factors 1 2 3, 4, 6 and 12. So the HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Let's see 8 sums. 25 and 75. So 1, 5, 5 5 is 25 and 25. 75. 1, 5 1 is 5, 2 carry, 5 5 is 25. So 5 into 15. Then 3, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Then 15, 25, 75. If you do not understand, आप लोग को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है 75 कौन से टेबल में जा रहा है, तो आप लोग ऐसे 75 को डिवाइड करके देख सकते हो. सी लास्ट डिजिट 5 है, सो 3 3 2s are 6, minus 7 minus 6 1 5, 3 5s are 15. सो ये 75 3 और 25 ये दोनों टेबल से डिवाइड हो रहा है. देन 75 लास्ट डिजिट 5 है, इट इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 4, सो वी विल टेक 5. 5 1s are 5 minus 2 and then 5. 5 5s are 25, 0. So that means it is divisible by 5 and 15 table. So see like this 1 5 3 15 25 and 75. Common factor 1 and 1, 5 and 5. So out of 1 and 5, 5 is the highest. So HCF of 25 and 75 is 5. Now 9 sums 48 and 54. So table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Now 54. So table of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, then 18, 27 and 54. Now common factor 1, 2, 3, 6. So common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So HCF highest is 6. So this is the answer. Now let's see 10th sum, the last one. Common factors of 150 and 225. So it is divisible by 1, then last digit is 0, so 2, then 3 5s are 15, also 3, then 5, 6, 10, 15, 25, 30, 50, 75 and 150. Now 225. So 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 25, 45, 75, 225. So common factor 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. So 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. So common factor is HCF. The highest one is 75. So HCF of 150 and 225 is 75.